Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be doing a science experiment with chocolate powder versus water, and this is Cadbury's, by the way. Anyways, enjoy the video. It's a science experiment. We're gonna just open the chocolate powder. Just give me a second. Just gonna open it in front of you. Actually, we'll do it over here. So I'm just gonna open it, and we got some chocolate powder inside. Sorry if it's blurry. And then we're going to take this spoon right here, and then we're going to scoop some chocolate powder out. Now this is a clever thing. If you put this chocolate powder inside of this water, you can see it's dry again. How clever is that? Because it doesn't actually become wet. So look, put that in. It's a bit wet, and okay, it's a bit wet, and then it's meant to be dry. Hold on. Tell you what. Oh yeah. So see, came back dry. Do that one more time. It's back dry. So that's a clever science experiment of chocolate powder versus water. See you later, folks. Bye.